Ready for a fun challenge? I'm about to play some familiar logo sounds, and your job is to guess them before anyone else. Stay sharp, listen closely, and let's see how many you can get right. If you enjoy these games, tap subscribe so you never miss the next round. Who does this playful sound belong to? That cheerful tune points straight to Cocomelon. Nice catch. Which brand uses this crisp, refreshing sound? That fizz belongs to Pepsi. Well spotted. This sound comes from a channel many of us grew up with. Can you guess it? That classic tone is Cartoon Network. Good job figuring it out. Here's a crunchy sound clue. Whose logo uses this? That sharp crunch goes with Doritos. Great listening. This eerie tone belongs to a viral series. Do you know it? That iconic sound is from Squid Game. You nailed it. This quick, catchy sound appears when the logo pops in. Who is it? That one belongs to TikTok. Nicely recognized. This soft notification style sound belongs to which app? That is the sound of WhatsApp. Strong guess. This magical chime belongs to a famous animation studio. Which one? That lovely sound is Pixar. Well done. Here's a fresh, fizzy sound. Whose logo uses this? That uplifting fizz is from 7-Up. Smart catch. This warm and familiar tone belongs to a world-famous brand. Can you guess it? That friendly sound is McDonald's. Great call. This sound comes from a popular messaging app. Who is it? That tone is Messenger. Nicely identified. This dramatic intro sound belongs to a legendary studio. Which one? That powerful theme is 20th Century Fox. Great listening skills. This simple yet iconic sound appears every time the logo shows up. Who does it belong to? That clean tone is YouTube. What a recognized. This fun little sound belongs to a classic game world. Who is it?
Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning.
That is the sound of Super Mario Bros. Nice work. This clean and minimal tone is from which brand? That signature sound is Apple. Good ears. This familiar startup sound belongs to which system? That sound is Windows. Solid guess. Great job making it to the end. Tell me how many sounds you guessed right, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you want more challenges just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next quiz.